pull that sled for me, Bubba.
This way?
Yep.
I gave her something to do.
We're just walking up the hill a little ways to see if we could find a Christmas tree. It will be,
Brown Christmas tree.
yeah, it'll definitely be a Charlie Brown Christmas tree.
My
But
mouth is frozen.
this is really fun, even if our tree will not be very full. Grace thinks she's found one. Oh, that's a good one, Grace. Arthur just said, why don't we get a holly tree? Such a bad idea, even though they're beautiful. Okay, this is the one that Gracie's thinking of. It's a pretty little cedar. Woo! Mom about fell. We have an option down the way a bit. It's a lot fuller, but... Are you gonna come up here? We're coming down. Let's walk a little farther and see if we find any more, and then we'll come back and get this one if we decide on it.
No.
Your favorite word?
Try sliding, Mom.
Okay, I'll slide. I mean, up there. Woo, that was fun. Hey, Baba, come on. Woo! I got snow in my underwear. Here, baby boo.
Sing all by yourself.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. What are we doing right now?
Going down here.
We're sledding. We've made a nice path here on the ridge. It's really fun. We could go all the way down, but we're stopping there.
Too, for example, this yellow snow, it completely changes the flavor.
That's what happens when you don't steer. You okay? We are getting back on mission now. We've been sledding for about an hour up here on the mountain. Now the search for our perfect Charlie Brown Christmas tree. Busted it. Are you checking on me, buddy? Oh, I just busted it. Thankfully it's soft. I can actually just sled on my butt. I'm actually really nervous. They're all about to sled down through all these woods, which I know will be fun, but it scares me. It shouldn't, obviously. Keep going. Don't give up. Okay, I'm not scared anymore. Just slipping and sliding down the hill on our butts. Woo! Don't run into me. Look, there's home. There's home.
Whoa!
Let him get you across the creek, then I'll walk with you. Hey, baby. Wait for Dad to get across the creek. And then there's barbed wire down there, Joy, so you gotta go over it. Kids can do hard things. They may fuss a little. But as long as it's not like really actually hurtful or really actually scary, it's fine. Let's go. Everyone's cold and tired. The smell of this tree is amazing. The adventurers are back, and all the barnyard welcomes us. I'm really excited. We got our tree, a really pretty cedar. I'm hoping it's gonna fit in our house though. Let's go see if we can get it pared down a bit to fit.
Okay.
Lunchtime after a long hike up the mountain
For Christmas tree.
for our Christmas tree. This has been a great day on the homestead, and we will show you our Christmas tree all decorated and lit up in the next video.